So after we get the guidelines in, we are ready to do the top lip. We are going to start by figuring out the center of the lips. And we actually work lips from the center out. So they line up relatively well with the tip of the nose, maybe a little off to the side. And that's where I'm going to put the dip. Hers is much more subtle. Mine's definitely way too much. So we got to adjust accordingly. And this is the top line, usually a very, very subtle thing. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to do the bottom line of the top lip. You want to look specifically at the shape of the top lip in the mirror, and it'll come a lot faster. Start from the center, figure out how far away, and then work accordingly. It always tapers over here. You might need to adjust your top line so it does fade for you. Once you're happy with the top lip, you are ready to do the bottom lip. Again, start from the center and work your way out. Definitely figure out where the bottom lip ends or fades away. Like most times, it doesn't fade away all the way to the edge here. If you notice, hers fades away way sooner than that. So that's what we're going to do. Same thing on this side. Make sure you look, draw a little bit, look, draw a little bit. Once you're done, you can erase. And then you're ready to shape the lips.